Today I am showing you how to run an advanced AI chatbot completely on your laptop. No coding needed, no internet connection, and no sharing of your private query data to the AI model provider. All chat between you and the powerful AI assistant stays completely private. And above all, it is totally free. Let's do it in less than 10 minutes. I am Shobho Mitro. I help companies develop product ideas and AI strategies. We just need two quick things to download. A super simple AI inference engine called Llama.cpp and pre-trained large language model LLM, which is the AI brain. Grab Llama.cpp from GitHub. Just look for the easy to find Windows files and I will show you exactly where. Open your browser and go to this URL. Look for the release section at the right side and click on it. It opens the latest downloadable builds for various operating systems, CPU, GPU combinations. Pick the one matching your laptop. I am using this old faithful SL laptop with Intel i7 CPU and NVIDIA GPU, and I will download the files needed for this old workhorse. The CUDA-enabled server executable files and the CUDA runtime libraries. 2 clicks and I'm done. While these two files are downloading, let me grab the Dolphin 3 model from the Hugging Face website. Open a new tab on your browser and type This model is created from Meta's Llama 3.1 model. It is free for personal use, but you need to get a license from Meta if you want to use it in any commercial product. I like this model as it is small, smart, and perfect from running on laptop. Open the GitHub page, click on Files and Versions, and download the model file with queue number appropriate for your laptop. Queue number refers to the quantization level used to compress the weight of the model. It determines the balance between model size, memory usage, and performance. For my old workhorse SL laptop, I am downloading the Q5 model. My downloads are ready. Here's the fun part. Create a folder in the laptop and name it Llama. I have created a Llama folder under the C root, but you can create it under any folder where you have full access. Now unzip all the Llama zip file into the Llama folder. Create a folder inside Llama folder and name it Models. Copy the downloaded Dolphin 3 model file into the Models folder, and we are done with our installation. Now I will make a simple batch file in the Llama folder with Llama server starting commands so that I don't have to type the long command over and over. And I will show you exactly how. Use Windows Notepad to create a new text document. Type the Llama server startup command and save the file as start.bat. For my laptop, I had typed this. For your laptop, the command may need some modification to work. Put a comment here if you need any help with that. Double-click the start file and boom, server starts. Your laptop now has its own AI assistant. To access your AI assistant web page, open the browser and type localhost:8080. And there you have it, your own AI chatbot running locally. The best part? It works offline, keeps your conversation private, and costs nothing. No monthly subscription to use it after setup. To close this running server, just close the command window. You can restart the server again by double-clicking the Start Batch in the Llama folder. One word of caution: do not presume all responses you get from these or any AI assistant, including OpenAI, Claude, etc., to be 100% accurate. This is especially applicable for any offline assistant like this one, as it will hallucinate if you ask a question beyond its training knowledge. The online AI assistants like OpenAI, Gemini, Grok uses a technology called RAG, R-A-G, to minimize hallucination by using vector database and live web search. But that will be a different topic for some other day. Drop a comment and I will answer any question to help you get set up with your own personal AI assistant.